Now relation between degree, radian and grades. Now we have gone through the English system. Now in the English system, what it was? English system shows us that one right angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So now from the English system, what we can write it? Two right angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Then we went for the French system. In the French system, we were having one right angle is equal to 100 grades. Okay. So we can write it two right angles is equal to 200 grades. Let this be equation 1, this be 2. And the third was circular system. In the circular system, pi radians was equal to 180 degree. Is it clear? Now from 1, 2 and 3, what we get? Two right angles is equal to 180 degree is equal to 200 grades is equal to pi radian. Hence, (180 degree is equal to 200 grades is equal to pi radians. So this is the relation between degree, grades and radians.